Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Reggae Boyz head coach Steve McLaren says he was pleased with the team's overall performance despite a 1-0 defeat to the USA in their CONCACAF Nations League first leg quarterfinal match at the National Stadium on Thursday night. Ricardo Pepe's 5th-minute goal proved to be the decider on the night. Demarai Gray missed the opportunity to equalize for the Jamaicans from the penalty spot in the 14th minute. The teams will now turn their attentions to the return leg match at the Energizer Park in St. Louis, Missouri on Monday. The home and away series in this November window will determine the teams advancing to the 2025 CONCACAF Nations League finals.
We adapted to their shape in terms of their box in the midfield, and with Pulisic and McKennie. We had to make sure that we picked them up, and it was great effort from the team in terms of pressing, but we were too open. So in terms of creating chances, it gave us some chances. It gave us the penalty. It gave us opportunities when we did win the ball to break, transition, but also the game we felt was too open, and especially credit to the team. I'm proud of the team. 5 minutes, 1 goal down, and the game being open as it was. Proud of the team, the way they fought.
The 4 semi-finalists in the Issa Manning Cup will be decided this afternoon, with all 8 teams in with a chance of making it to the final 4. Jamaica College entered the day on top of Group A on 4 points and will only need to avoid losing against Tivoli Gardens to make progress to the next round. In other matches, defending champions at Mona High, who are at the foot of the group on 1 point, will face off with Kingston College. Meanwhile, Hydel sit atop Group B on 4 points and will only need a draw against Campion College to make progress to the final 4. Excelsior will face the high-riding St. Catherine High in the other Group B match.
Thanks, Jerry Main. And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.